Guys, that was way too long of an intro. Let's get straight into this tutorial. As always, I'm going to start by using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. And I'm going to use a Sigma concealer brush to blend this into my skin.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way.
And I'm going to use an Ulta sponge to press it into my skin and get myself an even smooth layer.
Think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh.
And I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Pound Cake setting powder to kind of set my base. I'm going to start off using the shade Butter with a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. And as you can see, it is super pigmented. It threw me off at the beginning. I was like, oh crap, I got too much. But that's what blending brushes are for. Just blend, blend, blend.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars.
And as you can see, I hold my brush with a light hand lower than the bristles, just so I can get a smoother, easier blend. Butter is like the perfect transition shade.
But it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back.
Now I'm taking this Sigma tapered blending E35 brush, picking up Hunts. I'm going to put this in the outer 2/3. Gonna keep it a little controlled. It is a super pigmented color. And just slowly bring it in. Blending it in with butter. It just blends all so smoothly. It's literally like butter.
Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them.
I just noticed a weird thing I do with my eyebrows. I have to lift them a lot. Just because I don't have enough space. I wish I did. But that's hooded eyes for you. Picking up the shade Jax with an Sigma E25. It's a blending brush, but this brush, oh my god, it is so amazing. It's one of my favorite brushes. You have to have this in your collection. It is so easy to use and blend. And back with the E40, I'm going to take a little bit more butter and buff out the edges. Make sure everything is nice and blended.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights are.
Now I'm going to be taking Mocha with a Sigma small tapered blending brush, the E45. And I'm going to put this in my outer V. I'm going to slowly work it up, but staying in the outer corner. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Buns to help me with the blending process. It's always good to use a dark shade and then a kind of lighter shade. That helps the blending process so much and it saves more time. I'm going back with the E25 and I'm going to blend everything together. Now I'm going to be taking Beam on a simple Sigma angled brush, and I'm going to use this as the highlight for my brow bone. And this is just a Morphe pencil brush, and I'm going to be picking up Hunts and Jacks on the same brush and put this on lower lash line. I'm going to pick up a little bit Mocha and put it on the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. And I'm going back with the E25 and blending the lower lash line and the outer corners together. I'm going to take this Sigma cut crease brush. It's a little on the thicker side, so you can tell that I struggle with it. And I'm going to pick up more of the Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm going to put this all over my lid, set myself a little nice base. And today I'm going to go with Little Lady. And I'm going to put this all over my lid because it's so beautiful. This is the E35. I'm blending everything together. And to be a little bit more precise, I'm going to go with the E25 because it's smaller and tapered. And we are done with this look, you guys. It was so easy. This palette is amazing. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, we are done with this look. I really love this Jaclyn Hill palette. It is so beautiful. It has so many colors. You can create so many looks with this, with just this palette. You don't need to be hauling around a lot of palettes just to create a look. And I really love that about this palette. My husband and I are gonna go on our 3rd year wedding anniversary in a couple of weeks, and I'm so excited because I feel like I just need to take this palette and I'll be set, because it has every color you can think of and you can create so many looks with it. So it is definitely worth it. I totally recommend it 100%. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment so I know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.